Fellow travelers. Hello, fellow travelers. Hello, everyone. Well, it's almost like 2 a.m., but it is something special. It's the Laylatul Qadr or Shab-e Qadr, which is the holiest night in the Islamic calendar. So, where I am right now in Vigyanagar, just came here to see how the people over here spending their night. It is one of the holiest night in Islamic calendar and during the month of Ramadan. Especially now we are in the final stages, the final days of Ramadan. Uh, so this is the night some people spend while reciting Quran, reading Quran, adding prayer. They're like extension prayers, like Tahajjud, and during the time, having snacks, food, a little bit like beverages, kind of soft drinks. So this is something I came here to try on. I will try a couple of things, maybe snacks, kind of roasted chicken or other stuff, and some lemonade. So I have plenty of time for now. So I will do my best and try to do it as quick as possible. So I'll join the midnight prayer and do my extension prayers. Hmm. Ah. This is the first thing I'm trying. Which is so this is the first thing I'm trying, which is lemon soda, spicy water. Generally in India we have lemonade, a little bit spicy. Adding on green pepper, black pepper, sometimes coriander powder and mint, and it's refreshing. So there are plenty of food items to eat and taste something new. I had lemonade, which is 20 rupees, and that's a good deal. And over here there are a lot of stuff, a lot of things going on, like there are like a Sikh kebab, halim, biryani, and people over there. Interesting to see that. Generally we have that great cuisine, but tonight is like much more crowded as the people need a little bit break and they're craving for hunger. So that's how we unite, and that's how there's like brotherhood and we get to know each other and having conversation. It's like a nice combination of the night of power. It's a nice combination of prayer and food and conversations and something like that. And that's how you spend your night. So I will go inside soon. But there's a place in an old city that I'm going to visit. So I bought the halim, which is also known as dalim, made of, as you can see, this is made of lentils, spices, goat meat, mutton, and other mixed up powders. This tastes really nice. It's like sparkling of flavors in my mouth. It's a blast. Little bit spicy. Generally spicy, but it's nice.
और होता है ना पिज्जा, क्या बोलता है पिज्जा? पिज्जा है ना कितने का?
So this is the popular destination that I was talking about in my video, Ghantaghar, the old city clock tower. And this is more vibrant as compared to the previous one. And over here you can do like shopping, and there are a lot of food stalls over here. This side is like more shopping area, and you can almost buy anything, everything. For the occasion of Eid, and a lot of people already, like, you know, they're buying clothes, buying itr, perfumes. Look at the decoration here. Food stalls here, shopping, similar kind of thing, but this market is like more vibrant. Refreshment juices, buttermilk. There is market ends. Over here, as you can see this, there are a lot of things going on. A lot of stuff out there. I'm kind of confused, like what should I eat? I'm kind of hungry, but I want to try something not too much heavy. So I'm actually thinking of having buttermilk, lassi, and there are a lot of items here. Like literally behind me you can see a lot of items. I'm kind of confused at what should I eat. But I want something more light. I don't want anything heavy, but let's try it out. And I'll say that there are a lot of things. Seriously, a lot of things. This is more vibrant market because, like in old city clock tower market, amazing stuff, a lot of food, aroma, taste everywhere. It's uncontrollable. Once I start, it's uncontrollable. So I found a calm place and I bought the biryani, 50 rupees. It's kind of spicy. I bought it in 50 rupees, 350 grams. And yeah, it's kind of spicy. This is the total quantity. Really amazing, like it really made my day. Yeah, like made my night. Wonderful, wonderful. So I'm ending this video with this buttermilk. Finally, I would really want to have it, and I put it. It costs 20 rupees, which is good deal. Tastes nice. Not too much cold. 3:30 a.m. and I've attended the extension prayer. Now because there's limited time remaining for Zuhur, so yeah. But I had one. It was nice. I had at the Gandagar market. I've tried couple of stuff, but I remember that how my childhood was, and I want to share some of my experience. Like I was really young. I was a child when I used to go there. Like we used to walk, go there and try some new stuff. And they're like crowded, like it's a lot of crowd. And yeah, it was nice time. It was good time during that. That was a different story. Apart from that, I had a couple of amazing experiences. So it's a combination and it's a lovely night. Um, like you're meeting people, you're meeting some new people, you're meeting your friends, um, and going out for going out with them just to eat or like to attend the prayers, have a little bit chit chat and conversation. So it's a combination of um, the whole night, the way you spend the whole night. You're praying, then you're having a little bit craving for food, so you trying something, eating some different stuff. Like in the Ghantagar market, you have almost everything like um, shawarma and keema burger, keema samosa, and biryani, dalim, um, roasted chicken, and stick kebab, shami kebab. There are a lot of stuff over there. And in cold, like I will say drinks, soft drinks, or the beverages like buttermilk, ruafza, lemonade. There is everything. So I remember my childhood, how it was during like the Lailatul Qadr night. I was just reliving my time. So that's it. That's it for tonight. That's for the video. Do hit the like button and share my video to your friends and family. Thank you so much.